Today we are going to learn some useful results on ratio and proportion. There are 5 useful results. The first one, if A by B is equal to C by D. Another form is A is to B is equal to C is to D. Proportion, equality between two ratios. Then, if we do reverse, what is the reciprocal of A by B? B by A is equal to, both sides you have to do, D by C. When we do like this, we call it as invertendo. Invertendo means inverse, reverse with it. That is called invertendo. Second one, if A by B is equal to C by D, same proportion, implies any one, if C comes from here, from numerator to left side denominator, and denominator goes to like vice versa, either one side only. So A by C is equal to B by D. No sir, I want to bring D here and A here, no problem. Then this is called as alternando. Alternando. Learn these words. Coming to the third one. If A by B is equal to C by D, adding numerator A plus B by B. How to write means numerator addition. A plus B by B is equal to C plus D by D. This is called as componendo. Componendo. Next, fourth one. If A by B is equal to C by D, that implies A minus B by B, this time minus, is equal to C minus D by D. This is called as dividendo. 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 So, fifth one. If A by B is equal to C by D, that implies A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. Numerator addition, denominator minus. Then we call it as componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo. So these are the 5 results we are going to do in the coming exercise. Exercise 7C, first problem. If A is to B is equal to C is to D, prove that 9A plus 13B is to 9A minus 13B is equal to 9C plus 13D is to 9C minus 13D. Now they have given a condition. They have given a proportion. What is that proportion? A is to B is equal to C is to D. They gave this one and they are asking to prove that one. So another form of A is to B means A by B is equal to, another form of C is to D means C by D. Now here we are seeing two numbers 9 and 13. So multiplying 9 by 13 on both sides, not one side, on both sides. So 9 by 13 into A by B is equal to 9 by 13 into C by D. Are you able to follow? Why we took 9 by 13 means by seeing the problem. What numbers will be there in the problem, that numbers you take. Now you multiply 9A by 13B is equal to 9C by 13D. Now taking componendo and dividendo, both sides, not one side, both sides. Whatever we are doing on both sides we have to do. You know what is componendo and what is dividendo. Numerator addition will come, denominator subtraction will come. So 9a plus 13b by 9a minus 13b is equal to both sides 9c plus 13c 13d by 9c minus 13d. Taking componendo means plus, dividendo means minus, plus minus, componendo and dividendo both sides. Now they are asking ratio form. Another form of by is ratio only. 9a plus 13b is to 9a minus 13b is equal to 9c plus 13d is to 9c minus 13d. What they told to find, we got. They told to prove that, we proved, so hence proved. Hence proved. That word you have to write compulsory. Fourth problem. If 4a square plus 7b square is to 4a square minus 7b square is equal to 4c square plus 7d square is to 4c square minus 7d square, and we have to prove that a is to b is equal to c is to d. Just reverse what I did just now. They gave that one first and this one we proved. Now this they gave first condition and they are asking to prove that one. Now solution. Given another form of ratio is what? How to write? 4a square plus 7b square by 4a square minus 7b square is equal to 4c square plus 7d square by 4c square minus 7d square. Are you able to follow? Another form of ratio. Now taking componendo and dividendo. Taking componendo and dividendo on both sides. On both sides. Not one side, both sides. So 4a square plus 7b square plus 4a square minus 7b square divided by 4a square plus 7b square minus of 4a square plus minus 7b square is equal to 4c square plus 7d square plus of 4c square minus 7d square divided by 4c square plus 7d square minus of 4c square minus 7d square. Now what you are going to do? Remove the brackets. So 4a square plus 7b square. For plus nothing will change. As it is 4a square minus 7b square, as it is it will come. Whereas coming to the minus, what will happen? 4a square plus 7b square, minus is going inside the bracket. So minus 4a square minus into minus plus 7b square. Are you able to follow clearly? Be careful with minus. Again in numerator 4c square plus 7d square, and as it is plus 4c square minus 7d square. Coming to the denominator 4c square plus 7d square. Now taking minus inside the bracket, plus into minus, minus 4c square minus into minus plus 7d square. So be careful. Now here you see plus 7b square minus and both get cancelled. Plus 4a square minus 4a square is cancelled. Coming to here plus minus cancels. What is remaining? 4a square plus 4a square is 8a square. How much is remaining? 8a square by here 14b square. 14b square is equal to same here 8c square by 14d square. Are you able to follow clearly? Now on multiplying by 14 by 8 on both sides. Don't forget this word, both sides. You are multiplying 14 by 8. So 14 by 8 into 8a square by 14b square is equal to 14 by 8 into 8c square by 14d square. 14 goes one time, 8 goes one time. A square by b square is left. Next here 14 cancels, 8 cancels. C square by d square is left. Now we can write as a by b whole square is equal to c by d whole square. We know one laws of indices. When powers are equal, bases are also equal. Write that word. So a by b is equal to c by d. Another form of what is that one? A is to b is equal to c is to d. Where we have started and what they told to prove, we have proved clearly. Write here that word. When powers are equal, bases are equal. So write the bases and write that one. Fifth problem. If MA plus NB is to MC plus ND is equal to MA minus ND is to MC minus ND, and prove that A is to B is equal to C is to D. Now solution given. Another form of writing ratio, you know, MA plus NB by MC plus ND is equal to MA minus MB by MC minus ND. Before doing, you have to see AB, and here AB is not there. Here AB is there, here again it's not there. So taking alternando on both sides. So MA plus NB by, here numerator comes to this side, left side, from left to right or right to left. Numerator, denominator, numerator. Here left side going to right side, numerator become denominator. MC plus ND by MC minus ND. Always numerator should be positive, denominator negative. Then only componendo, dividendo. Now taking componendo and dividendo on both sides. Taking componendo and dividendo on both sides. On both sides, not one side, both sides. MA plus NB, for plus no need bracket again because we came to know now there is no change, by denominator MA minus MA plus NB. Now minus is going inside the bracket, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and otherwise keep bracket and one more step you add, no problem. That is equal to MC plus ND plus this one as it is, MC minus ND, because for addition no change will be there, only for subtraction. Next MC plus ND, now opposite signs, plus becomes minus MC, minus will become plus because opposite side, minus is going inside. We have practice. Now cancel, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. Now 2MA by 2NB is equal to 2MC by 2ND. 2 cancels, 2 goes in one time, 2 goes in one time. Now multiplying by m nm n by m on both sides, not one side, both sides, with n by m. So n by m into ma by nb is equal to n by m into mc by nd. Now m goes in m one time, n goes in n one time, a by b is left. Next n goes in n one time, m goes in m one time, c by d is left. Another form of a by b is a is to b. Another form of c by d is c is to d. They gave this one and told to prove that one. We proved, so hence proved. Hence proved.